Today we are going to start learning about some multiplication strategies. So you are going to take your notebook or your piece of paper that you have in front of you, and you are going to write the title at the top. And the title of today's anchor chart is Multiplication Strategies. So I'm writing that at the top of my anchor chart. And then I'm going to divide my anchor chart into 4 equal sections. In math, we have another name for that. We call those quadrants. So I'm going to split my paper right down the middle. And then that was vertically. Now I'm going to draw a line horizontally as well. And now I have split my paper into 4 equal quadrants. So the first strategy that we're going to talk about today is called equal groups. So I'm going to go ahead and write the name of that strategy in my first box. I'm going to write equal groups. I'm going to underline that. So when we think about the word equal, think about some things that come to mind. So when I think about equal, I think about an equal sign that I might see in an equation. And I think about things that are the same. So today we're going to look at the multiplication problem 3 times 4 equals what? So let's introduce a little bit of vocabulary. We're going to learn some new words. These two numbers that we are multiplying, the 3 and the 4, these numbers are called our factors. Can you say factors? The answer for our multiplication equation is called the product. Can you say product? So we are going to try to use equal groups to find the missing product of the factors 3 times 4. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to draw some equal groups. So I'm going to take my first factor, which is 3, and I'm going to draw 3 circles. These are going to represent my groups. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 circles. Try to draw them about the same size because, again, remember, we want them equal. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my second factor, which is 4. And because these are equal, I need to put the same amount in each circle. So I'm going to put 4 X's in each of my 3 circles. So I'm going to count that as I do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I see that I have 3 groups with how many X's in each? I have 4 X's in each group. So I have 3 groups with 4 in each. 4, 4, 4. Therefore, I have equal groups. So now in order to find my missing, do you remember what this word is? Product. In order to find my missing product, I'm going to count up all of my X's. So I can do this a couple of different ways. I can count them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I know my missing product is 12. Another way I can find that, a little bit of faster way to be more efficient, is I can use some skip counting. So if I know that this is 4, then I can skip count by 4s. So 4, and then think about in your head what's 4 plus another 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 4 more would be 12. So if I'm skip counting, it would look like this: 4, 8, 12, which gets me the same product that I came up with earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in my box. I now know that 3 times 4 has the product of 12.